Introducing the Drone Matters High Friction Velcro Battery Strap. These straps have been designed specifically for mini multi-rotors and smaller batteries and is the perfect size for 3S batteries with a capacity of 1300 mAh up to 2200 mAh. But more importantly, on one side, there is a proprietary high-friction surface that helps to prevent your battery from slipping off in a high-G maneuver or a crash. The Drone Matters High-Friction Velcro Battery Strap is available right now from dronematters.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more product updates coming soon.